Hey, hi, I'm Marissa Grant here. Just wanted to show you what's going on with the grading, okay? So this string right here, this level of this string, is 4 inches lower than the level of your coping, okay? Actually, I'm sorry, 4.5 inches lower, because it's 17.5 feet from here to here, and it has to pitch 1/4 inch per foot. So that string is 12 inches higher than the level of your lawn. So that's how tall your granite step is going to be here, 12 inches. Okay, so you're going to have 12 inches of reveal of the granite curbing here. And then that string, if you pull a string from that string to the level of the pool, that's the level of your grading here. Okay, just enough so the water can slope away from the pool. Now, as we go down through this way, you'll see there's a hill. So the slope drops. So from the level of your pool, sloping 4 inches down, 4.5 inches down, finishes actually 1 inch above this rebar where the string is. 1 inch above that is the level of your finished lawn in this area, okay? That means we're gonna leave 13 inches of granite exposed. So that's your granite, and then from here, going this way is lawn. Okay, it means that we're taking the grade and we're lifting it up 19 inches. Then you're gonna see your granite exposed for 13 inches, and then this is the level of your lawn. All right, so as we get over here, you can see the grade drops even more. Edgar, I'm gonna show you what that looks like, because I wanted to point something out to you, okay? Off this side of the pool, it's gonna be 16 feet. Again, from here to the corner, from the corner to the pool is 17.5 feet. So we don't want to have it off by too much. It's only a 1.5 foot difference. 17.5 feet, and this is going to be 16 feet. For us, 6 inches higher, 6 inches. Right, right there, yeah, it's good. That's going to be level with the top of the curb, which is like 4 feet 8 inches above the ground. That means we have to bring in 4 feet 8 inches of dirt to lift this grade here. And this tape measure measures the angle in which the lawn would be off the back of this terrace. Okay, so then there's obviously trees that are being planted in here. Another option I want to throw at you, which you don't need to do it, but it will look better, is we could extend this wall. See this wall that we're building? Right now, in your current quote, we have the wall finishing at the corner of the pool, which is almost where this tree is. We could extend it another, call it, 40 feet. So then this level gets lifted up much like this level is getting lifted up. Right now, we currently have those trees going in, the big trees over there going in through here, and then the grade was going to abruptly drop down, and then you're going to have the smaller trees. So the option is, whether you want to, Edgar, lift that up about 18 inches, approximately 18 inches. That's approximate. Just go ahead and lift it up, Edgar. Approximate, go ahead. Now lift up the tape. No, keep yours where it was. Keep yours where it was. Right there. You can see that the angle would be much less if you decided you want to extend the wall. That's an optional thing that you could do. Edgar, now bring it down again, all the way down to the ground. Or option 2 is you have a steeper slope. All right, so I just wanted to point that out to you. With the tanks that Bruno is installing, he can't put the tanks underneath the line of the granite. Because if he does, those tanks, when he digs the hole 8 to 10 feet deep, no matter what he does as far as trying to compact it, it's gonna drop a little bit. So if you have a huge trench that's dug underneath a cemented in granite curbing, the granite curbing is going to shift and move down next year. So you need to expect that after he puts this tank in, you might have to add some more soil, but I think the tank needs to go in here, between the trees and between the granite curbing. That's my suggestion on where it needs to go. Because the other thing is we have trees that are planted in here. Trees. So if we try to put it here, the problem is the trees are going to drop down in a few years and they could also potentially die. So if he wants to put it up here, just be aware that you're gonna have to probably pick up the trees one year and plant them higher because the ground is gonna shift downwards from uncompacted soils. So that's it. I'll shoot this over to you on YouTube and email, and just want to give you a sense of what's going on. So it goes this way, then the curb would then go here where these stakes are going through this way, 16 feet off.